Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to get started with a better photo editing on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Android mobile phone, and for today's tutorial, we're going to use default app on Android mobile phone to edit our photo. You can go to your gallery first, and then you're going to choose a photo you want to edit. For example guys, I'm going to choose a photo from my camera folder. Okay, for instance, I'm going to edit this photo. I'm going to make this photo looks better than the original one. If we want to edit this photo, we can go to the editing tools shown by this pencil icon like this, and then we're going to adjust, for example, the brightness, and then the contrast and the saturation, and etc. The first one, I'm going to adjust the light balance. I'm going to make it little bit brighter, okay, like this. And for the brightness, I'm going to increase it just a little bit. And for the exposure, I'm going to reduce it. All right. And at the contrast, I'm going to increase it to make it more vibrant. Okay, and highlight as well, I'm going to increase, and shadow. And this is the important things guys, the saturation. You can either make it more vibrant or like this, and I'm just going to increase the saturation. Okay, I think that's enough. And then for the tint as well, and temperature. Wait guys, and then the sharpness, of course I'm going to make it sharper, so I'm just going to make it for about 80. Okay, and then the last one is definition. I'm going to increase it as well. Again, this is the result, and you can also apply filter to the photo if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, guys, basically you can play around with the saturation, the brightness, and the contrast to make better photo editing on your Android mobile phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get started with better photo editing on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.